Throw the ball. Whoa! Alright, catch the ball. Ready? Catch. One. Ready? Catch it. No, you missed it. Where'd the ball go? Where'd the ball go? Jeez. Where's your Bible? Where's your Bible? Go get your Bible. Where'd it go? Where'd your Bible go? There it is. Is that your Bible on the bed? What is that? On the bed. What is that, Asher?
Bible.
Is that your what?
Bible.
Oh, Bible. I'm glad you know that. You want to say goodbye? You want to show everyone your train set? You want to show your train set? Where's your train set? Wow, look at that train set. That's cool. And that's your golf clubs? Alright, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say bye.